I'll introduce you to the pattern material on this short, quick little project. This should be done fairly quickly. It's a pattern out of a magazine. It's called Man's Best Friend. That's man and his dog. It's supposed to be made out of 3/4 inch. And I've got some maple. I just had this sitting here. I think it'd be fairly easy to cut for this pattern. I'll use a number 5 blade. So let me get that mounted and we'll cut it real quick, and won't take long to see how it turns out. That's a quick and simple little project. It's kind of a neat little project. Had to do very little cleaning on it. That wood cut really nice. I had to get a few little fuzzies and burrs off of it, but it's a nice little piece. You can do a lot of things with different kinds of wood. You could cut them from 2 different colors of wood, or I guess something a little more exciting than just that white maple. But anyway, that was a nice quick little video. I saw that and I wanted to try to cut it. So there it is. Thank you for watching, and hit the like button if you like it. If you're not subscribed, well, do that too, and I hope to see you in the next video.